Who is this historical figure?
Oh no, who's that? Is that Einstein? Who's? I don't.
If it's modern, we might not know.
No.
I can't tell from there. Oh, I've got no idea. Some scruff bag.
Hello, welcome to Easy English. So Wikipedia has a list of the 100 greatest Britons of all time, which you're seeing here. And it made me think, how many of these great Britons do typical Brits know? I'm on Brighton Beach to find out. Here we go. Who is this Briton?
Winston Churchill.
Winston Churchill.
Can you tell me, who is this Briton?
Oh, I think it's Winston Churchill.
Okay, and what do you know? What do you know about him? Any facts?
He was the Prime Minister when I was young.
Yeah.
So, yes, I've remembered him from years and years.
That's good. Do you know any fun facts about Winston Churchill?
Fun facts, he's like me, a bricklayer.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
He
What?
built all these garden walls around his property, apparently.
That
Yeah.
is a fun fact.
Apart from being the Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Right, come on, we're going to go a bit more modern. A nice big one for you.
Oh, well, there you are, David Beckham, isn't it?
Oh, David Beckham.
David Beckham.
Oh, that looks like David Beckham.
A long time ago.
David Beckham.
Very good.
Okay.
Are you a fan of his work?
Do I admire David Beckham's work? Well, he was a good footballer.
Yeah.
I'm not really a football fan, but I mean, I recognise him, obviously.
We do like football, but...
We do like football,
all right.
but not Man United.
No.
He owns a football franchise in Miami.
Nice.
Yeah, that'll do.
His wife is a successful fashion designer, having been a pop singer in the first place. So, yeah, one of the glamorous couples of our time.
Shakespeare.
William Shakespeare.
Yeah.
Okay, William Shakespeare, probably the best playwright ever
Yeah.
to have lived.
Any facts you know about William Shakespeare? Do you know
Where
any of his
shall we
plays?
three meet upon the heath?
Fun facts?
Did one of his plays at school, which was
He did?
actually like it, which was quite a comedy, yeah.
A lot of further education is built around a lot of his works and studies, and so many contemporary things have been based on his works.
Is this a dagger I saw in front of me? yeah, that's the one.
Who's that?
Lady Diana.
Yes,
Who's that?
Princess Diana.
Perfect.
Yeah, Lady Di, of course.
Who's she?
Who's she? She was
Just in case people
she
don't
was
know.
the first wife of Prince Charles.
Okay, obviously the mother of William and Harry. Yeah, married to Prince Charles.
Yeah.
Came to a sticky end, unfortunately. Died much too early. Maybe didn't necessarily fit into the royal family, but probably the first of the royals to sort of break ranks, as it were, and become more popular, make the monarchy more popular.
I think she had a miserable life while she was with Charles and the royal family.
Yeah.
And I think she had a lot of depressions and frustrations, and I think she was unhappy with this whole royal yeah. Yeah.
That was well summarised.
Yeah. That's
Royal.
that's what.
Okay, next one.
Okay, so David Attenborough, yeah.
Oh, yes, David Attenborough.
Yeah.
Well, he tells us everything about nature and everything. He's a wonderful man, yes.
You like him?
Oh, yes.
More recently about climate change and saving the planet. Probably the most recognised voice, I would say, on TV.
Yeah, true.
And a fantastic voice that he's got, and very soothing and loved by everybody. And he's a true, I think, English icon.
This video is sponsored by Italki, the site that allows you to find online language teachers for one-on-one tutoring. As a new user, you'll get $10 in Italki credits after your first lesson if you register using the link go.italki.com/Easy English. If you don't like reading complicated language books or listening to pre-recorded audio courses, then Italki is for you. You'll get to practice your conversational skills under different real-world scenarios, as speaking with humans is the best way to learn a language. You can customize your lessons to cater for your learning needs and interests, and the one-on-one lessons provide you undivided attention with teachers at your preferred time, whether you're at home, at the airport, or at your local park. You have complete access. So head on over to Italki with this link, go.italki.com/easy English to start your first lesson and get $10 in lesson credits. Who is this historical figure?
Queen Elizabeth I.
Very good. Fantastic. And what do you know about her? Any little facts or?
She was daughter of Henry VIII. She was queen in the 16th century. About the time William Shakespeare was around, but he obviously went into James as well. Favourite people for her were people like Raleigh, who was a privateer or pirate or great sailor, depending on your point of view. She was unmarried, no children, which is why we then had a Scottish king afterwards. But all related, because James was son of Mary Queen of Scots, or something like that.
Oh, I've got no idea. Some scruff bag. I've got no idea who he is. I'm not into pop songs.
He'd probably like it if he was referred to as a scruff bag.
Who is he? Let's have a look.
Oh, Johnny, what's his face?
Rotten.
Johnny Rotten.
Johnny Rotten, well done.
It's not Johnny Rotten or somebody.
Yeah, bang on.
You can tell he reads the newspaper.
Go on then, and tell us what you know about Johnny Rotten.
Punk.
Yes.
That's about it, really.
John Lydon or Johnny Rotten. Do you
Never heard of
do you like
him.
the Sex Pistols?
I've heard of them, but I've never heard of him.
Sex Pistols, punk,
Loud. Offensive.
obnoxious,
Yeah. Selling
Quite nice,
selling
actually.
butter.
selling butter. Yeah.
No, I don't know who that is. Let's have a look.
That's Isambard Kingdom Brunel.
Oh, that's Isambard Kingdom Brunel.
Wow. You're the first one to get that so far from what people I've asked.
All right.
I mean, once I said his name, then they knew, but I don't think people generally knew what he looked like.
That's one of the most famous pictures of him.
Yeah, right, that's all I could find. Maybe you know it if I say the name. Isambard Kingdom Brunel.
Oh, Brunel. Yeah, the chap who did all the lovely bridges and railways and things.
Ah, so you know who he is then, that's
Yeah,
good.
the Bristol or Bristol area.
Yeah, perfect.
Isambard Kingdom Brunel was definitely one of the greatest engineers of the Victorian era, the great engineer of the Great Western Railway, but he championed broad gauge to start with, which went to normal gauge, which was 4 foot 8.5 or something. And he also pioneered a vacuum railway on the south coast. He also built things like Clifton Suspension Bridge, and also ships, Great Western, Great Eastern. And one of those, Great Western, I think, ended up... No, SS Great Britain, sorry.
Right.
Ended up on the Falkland Islands and is now back in Bristol, having been fully restored. Yeah, so you can visit it.
John Lennon.
Ah, John Lennon.
Perfect.
Okay, John Lennon, member of the Beatles,
Yeah.
wrote some fantastic songs.
You're a fan?
Imagine probably is the best one he's ever written.
Yeah, I think the Beatles were very good. In earlier times, I thought they went a bit off in the late 60s, but yes, they were a pretty good band.
Yeah.
From Liverpool, of course.
You're a fan?
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, early.
We're music fans, so basically...
When he was in the Beatles, but
Yeah.
not really after that. Well, not me, personally.
None of his later stuff.
No.
Yeah.
I wasn't a fan of the Beatles, no. Never really liked the Beatles, no, not at all. Didn't particularly like their music. But obviously he was, one of a kind.
Yeah, started off in the Cavern Club and places like that in the northwest of England. And yeah, very popular, very successful across the world, with lots of little screaming girls following them and meeting them at airports and things like that. Yes. Unfortunately, he did get shot in New York and killed, which was a great shame.
Darwin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, well done. Who is this?
I would guess that's George Bernard Shaw.
It's wrong, but I can see
Oh, right.
where you're going.
Oh, Charles Darwin.
Wow, very good.
Might be Darwin.
No, I don't know.
You're correct. Second guess,
Oh, well
Charles Darwin. And what do you know about Darwin?
Yeah, his most popular theory about species and survival of the fittest.
Evolution, basically.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he invented it.
Well, I don't know if he invented it, but he's part of it himself.
Because it's his theory, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Beagle.
Oh yeah, HMS Beagle. Yeah.
Ah. Is that his... Tell me more. I don't know
I think
this.
he. I'm fairly sure he sailed on HMS Beagle with Banks and all that lot.
Yeah, he could have done. Yes,
think.
that's possibly true. He might not be making that up.
It's one for Wikipedia as well, isn't it?
Better check your facts.
That's not. Is that Nelson?
It is Nelson.
Horatio Nelson, yeah.
Well done. I didn't
Horatio
even know
Nelson.
that.
No, that's Nelson. So, Battle
what
of
do you know
Trafalgar, was it?
Yeah.
Battle of Trafalgar came to a sticky end.
Oh, Rowling.
Wow. And other than the obvious, do you know any other facts about her?
She writes as. What is it? Galbraith? No. Galbraith or
I don't
something?
know. She does have pseudonyms other than J.K. Rowling, but I can't remember.
It's a detective series which have been done on the TV.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. Let us know in the comments below how many of the Brits you knew, and we'll see you next week. Bye. Are you a fan of Harry Potter at all?
I read them all when they first came out. I can't remember a thing now.
Don't think I read any.
That's not a good sign, is it? Thank you very much. That's everything I really need.
I'm done.
You're really great.
Thank you very much.